We have a little French bulldog named Walter. He's right here because he knows what's waiting for him, and he's being a very good boy. We just purchased the Furbo. We've been using it for a few weeks, and we absolutely love it. It's part security, part treat and reward. It's a really cool device. It's really nice because it's got a 1080p camera right there that connects Wi-Fi to your home, and you can actually access this with the app. And right now, I'm watching Michelle filming me, and I'm listening to my own voice because, of course, there's also audio as well, which is really, really cool. And with the flick of a finger on the app, I can reward my dog if he's feeling anxious, or if I just want to say, hey, here's a little treat. And that's what he's been waiting on because we're standing next to it right now. And I've got our second Furbo just below me, and I'll show you how we flick that treat. And all you need to do is flick that little virtual treat and with a flick up on the screen, and it will translate into the Furbo treating a reward to your dog. It's really, really cool. So let's try that out right now live. And voila. And he couldn't be happier with this little toy. But the really cool thing that is peace of mind with this machine is that it's also a camera, works on night mode. You can connect it to the cloud as well for an extra fee. And it also recognizes the barks of your dogs, right? So if Walter decides to bark because he's anxious about anything, it will let my watch know, my phone know, and give us a notification so we can look at what's going on and maybe treat him or maybe just talk to him, because there's also an audio we can hear and be heard. So you can calm your dog with your voice or just with, a couple little calls, and just make sure that he is not alone, that he knows that he's not alone. So really, really nice to have. And we're gonna have this second Furbo somewhere else around the house. And I'm pretty sure he's gonna be hanging out this spot of the house a little bit more. Let's give him another treat just now. Oh boy.